In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily make your keyboard sound louder on your iPhone. So guys, first of all, without wasting any time, you'll have to open the settings of your iPhone. Now I will tell you about 3 things that you'll have to follow. The first thing is to scroll down all the way and go to sounds and haptics. Then you will have to scroll down again, tap on keyboard feedback, and make sure that your sound one is turned on. Turning on haptic is your own choice, personal choice, but make sure that sound is turned on. Now go back and make sure that this sound is full, like 100%. And the last thing you'll have to keep in mind that your iPhone is not on the silent mode, and it's on the ringing mode, because if your iPhone is on silent mode, you'll not be able to listen or experience the keyboard sound on your phone while you are using it. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.